So, hello guys, my first voiceover. So, let's go. We're taking a short trip to Germany by the trams. So we're going through the train, working out. Chuk, 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 chuk. Okay, we moves. We're just seeing roaming around the city now. Actually, today it's our plan. It's a Sunday vlog. So, we are on our way to the church. It's just the outside scenery. Trying to enjoy the nature. Like nowadays, due to work pressure and all, we get very little time to roam around, to see the sun, to see the sky, to see the beauty of nature. So here we are. Almost we're close to the church. I kind of like the way everything moves here. So we are on the streets, walking down to reach the church. We're close by the church now. We're going by. Germany is a good country to study, to work. The climate is also very good nowadays. So we're reaching close by the church. Churches represent a lot of architectural value, historical value. We can learn a lot from the church. It's a nice experience. So we're getting close to the church. I hope we don't miss the prayer. I was in the church, altar. So in Germany, you try to cross the road. You see the red signal there? That's it. Do not cross if it's the red signal, whatever may happen, even if you find the road empty, because it's kind of safety rules. So we start walking when it turns green. Okay, we're waiting to turn it to green. So it's green, so we are crossing. It's kind of a safety issue so that we don't mess up with anything else. Why to take the risk? You're safe when it's green. No one can do anything. So here we're walking. Now we're just going to roam around the city just to explore good stuff. So here goes the train, omnibus, I don't know what it's called. But then it's kind of a few shots here and there. A university, and then let's see what we can do. We are again way back road, going back home. There is a little graffiti on the walls here and there. And then we're going to the city. Kind of mode of transport is really cool. Public transport is very clean and maintained properly. We're going through the city. Mostly it's written in German, so we'll have a hard time. But if you don't know German, you could learn the basics. Speed is okay, it's not so fast and so not slow. It's an amazing experience. Thought to have here and there shots which I like. This is an interesting monument. Thought to share to the people. It's kind of inspiring. How did they make it and look? We have electric lines here and there. Trees, it's kind of the autumn season, I guess. Yeah, the leaves have fallen. It's an old video, so please do excuse the delay. Going on. Oh, that building, it looks good. kind of dustbins, I guess. Different color for differentiation. Just walking here and there, just taking some random shots, just to give you a exposure of the nature. I mean, it's not very common to see like these in India, I guess. Oh, it's finally snowing here, so please note this video is not at the current place. It's just a video which I've taken long before I had the time to edit it right now. So please excuse my delay. So see you soon. Hope to catch you later with another video. Thank you. Do subscribe and follow us back on our YouTube channel and on Instagram. So I hope you liked the video. Thank you. Do comments. Do share your comments on what to do next. Thank you. Thank you for watching.